is for asteroid. B is for black hole.
C is for comet. D is for dark matter.
E is for eclipse.
F is for falling star. G is for galaxy.
H is for Hubble telescope.
I is for interstellar.
J is for Jupiter.
K is for Kuiper belt.
L is for light year.
M is for Milky Way.
N is for nebula.
O is for orbit.
P is for planet.
Q is for quasar.
R is for rocket. S is for star.
T is for telescope. U is for universe.
V is for Venus.
W is for wormhole.
X is for X-ray star.
Y is for yellow dwarf.
Z is for zenith.